Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma and student. We are discussing the chapter Water, a Precious Resource for class 7. We were discussing the reason for water table depletion. So I'll give you a quick recap. What is water table? Water table is the uppermost layer of the groundwater. Now what is water table depletion? Because of the excessive usage of the groundwater or excessive digging out of the groundwater, the water table is going down. So now why we were discussing why this water table is depleting. What are the factors behind it? So first factor we discussed was increase in population. So we know that because of the increase in population, there is a increased requirement of fresh water for consumption, as well as there is, because of the increased population, there is a increased demand for the land which is required for housing purpose, industrial purpose, etc. So to meet the need of land for housing and industrial purposes, we need to cut down on the forestation. This leads to deforestation, and as we know that forest on earth brings rainwater or brings rain. So when deforestation is there, the rainfall is also less. So if the rainfall is less, now since the water falling on earth is less, therefore what is happening? Seeping in of water is also less, which is leading to the depletion of water table. Now output is more. We are taking more and more water from ground, but input of groundwater is less, and hence what is happening? Depletion of water table is there. Now we will see the next reason. This is increasing industry. Every industry require water in the production process, and as the number of industry increase, more and water will be required, and where will it come? It will come from the ground, and this will result in depletion of water table. Third is agriculture activities. As more and more population is there, more or more crop is required, more or more food is required. Now since deforestation is there, in case of no or low rainfall, from where farmer will get the water to irrigate their land? They will get the water from groundwater. This also depletes the water table for years. Now, as we discussed deforestation earlier also, it is large scale cutting down of trees, and as we know that plants and trees keep the soil bound together and they prevent soil erosion, and they also facilitate the absorption of water in the soil. So cutting them exposes the first layer, which leads to soil erosion, and hence the water seeping in of water is less, and it affects the water table of the region. Fifth is rainfall, low rainfall. So if there is low or scanty rainfall, what will happen? Less water is available to seep in. So lesser the rainfall, lesser the water goes inside the earth, and underground water table is generally low. Next we will come to distribution of water. So this distribution of water or distribution of groundwater across the earth is not even. Why it is not even? Because of the different factors. For example, rainfall and climatic conditions. So we know that there are on earth there are different kind of geographical locations. Somewhere there are deserts, somewhere there are forests, some temperate region, tropical region, and everywhere different climatic conditions prevail, and rainfall pattern is different in different climatic conditions. So the places where high amount of water or other face scarcity of water. For example, in India, places like Rajasthan get very low rainfall and hence have less water, or groundwater is less and water table is low. On the other hand, places like Meghalaya, which receives higher rainfall, it has high amount of water, groundwater will be more, and the water table will be high. So hence there can be times when one part of India faces flood while other is suffering from drought-like conditions since there is no rainfall. So from this picture we can easily see that the darkest blue color, which is above 400, the areas which is of this royal blue color, they receives above 400 centimeters rainfall, and the least rainfall is received is 0 to 20 centimeters, which is here somewhere in Gujarat and Rajasthan, right? Next, in our next lecture, we will be discussing about water management. Thank you.